Today's discussion RTP questions with respect to material costing and employee costing, nothing but labor costing. Last session we have discussed about basic concept, right? Last week you are also there, no? Few people are there in material costing. This particular question, it's a very famous question. It's there in the ICA material itself. It's based on setting of various stock level. First, I'll read the question. Thereafter, you can go for the concept. A company uses 4 raw material A, B, C, and D for a particular product for which the following data given in this. Raw materials A, B, C, D. Usage per unit of product. A, 12 kgs to produce 1 unit of the product. 8, 6, and 5. Usage represent what? To produce 1 unit of the finished goods, how many kgs of raw material A required, B required, C and D required. Understand? Reorder quantity, it's for the purpose of formula. Reorder quantity, ready-made data available. Price per kg, purchase, nothing but price represent. Raw material purchase price, rupees in rupees given in this question. Delivery period, what is called delivery period? Lead time. Lead time represent delivery period. What is called the lead time? Time gap between date of order and date of receipt of goods. When I am going to order the product, when I am going to receive the goods. That is called one lead time. With respect to lead time, minimum lead time, average lead time, maximum lead time. The delivery time is called lead time. Then reorder level given in this question for A and B, and minimum level answer for C is given in this question. Okay, these are all the available data. Next given data. Yes. Weekly production varies from 550 to 1250 units, averaging 900 units of the said product. What should be the following quantities? Minimum stock level of A, maximum stock level of B, reorder level of C, average stock level of A, reorder level of D, minimum stock level of D. So, with respect to this question, you have to remember few things. While solving the problem, kindly verify. First one is minimum stock level of A given. Therefore, A's data alone you have to take. It's commonly committed in the main examination. For example, while solving the fifth one, what is the fifth question? Reorder level of D. While solving the fifth question, reorder level of D, they'll take for B's data and A's data or etc. Chances of committing mistake will be there. Because each question for different raw material. You should be very careful which raw materials data you have to use. That's the first commonly committing mistake. Second one, you should be familiar with the formula. Without knowing the formula, you can't even touch the problem. The formulas and all based on what? Setting of various stock level. With respect to setting of various stock level, what are all the various? One of the inventory control technique. Setting of various stock levels. One of the inventory control technique. What are all the various stock controls are there? Setting of various stock levels are there. You know, maximum level, minimum level, reorder level, average level, danger level. These are all the various levels are there. Zero level also will be there in the question book. Okay, in your textbook. Zero level nothing but no stock. For that, no formula. Zero only. Okay. So you have to remember the formula for maximum level, minimum level, reorder level, average level, danger level. So first you should be familiar with the formula. What is the formula for reorder level? Maximum usage into maximum lead time. Formula for reorder level, all of you repeat. Maximum usage into maximum lead time. In examination, everything should be at the fingertip. Because in examination, time is allotted only for the purpose of writing, not thinking and writing. Am I right or not? Clear? So without thinking, how can you able to write, sir? Practically not possible, no. What and all you have to think and order, store it in advance, that you have to, everything 100% we can't write without thinking. But formulas and all, memorize panni vechikalam. Am I right or not? So formulas also will think, sir, how to start the problem also will think, means that 3 hours may not be sufficient to solve the problem. Only decision making purpose you can think. Formula under tuck. Okay, so that we can substantially reduce the time. So reorder level you have to be thorough. What's the formula for reorder level? Maximum usage into maximum lead time. Repeat all of you.
Maximum reorder level into maximum.
Not reorder. Reorder level is equal to
maximum usage
into maximum.
Maximum usage into maximum lead time.
Then what is the formula for maximum level? Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. I'll repeat, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Repeat all of you. What is the formula for maximum level?
Reorder level
plus reorder quantity
plus reorder quantity
minimum usage into minimum lead time.
Minimum lead time.
minimum usage
into minimum lead time. Akash, puriyudha? Then formula for minimum level, reorder level minus average usage into average lead time. Repeat all of you. Reorder level minus
average usage into average lead time.
Okay. Then formula for average level is minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. Simple average only. Minimum plus maximum level divided by 2. Or minimum level plus half of the reordering quantity. Minimum level plus half of the 1/2 of the reordering quantity. Okay. So two formulas are there with respect to minimum level. What are they? Minimum two formulas are with respect to average level. What are they? Minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2, or minimum level plus half of the reordering quantity. Understood? Last one is called what? Danger level. Formula for danger level is minimum usage into minimum lead time, or minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase. I'll repeat, minimum usage into minimum lead time, or minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase. These are all the various formula I have to remember, sir. Now, where and all I said two different formulas. எதுக்கெல்லாம் two different formula apply ஆகும்?
Average stock level.
The last average stock level and danger level. Clear? With respect to average level, two different formulas are there. Again, it's a commonly committed mistake. In examination, any one of the formula you can apply. But both the formula not going to give the same answer. Understood? Any one of the formula you can apply. Both the formula will be different answer only. Depending upon the availability of the information, you can use any one of the formula. With respect to danger level, same story is not applicable. In danger level, one formula minimum usage into minimum lead time, another formula minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase. Am I right? Now, Varsha, can you please tell me, if you are in danger level, you are in danger level only. Okay, if you are in danger level, you will go by way of normal delivery or rush delivery. Rush delivery தான் போய் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? Therefore, whenever minimum time for emergency purchase given in this question, we have to make use of the formula minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase. Suppose supplier is telling we don't have the facility to rush delivery and all, then only have to go for the previous formula, minimum usage into minimum lead time. Understood? Therefore, between two formula, which formula you have to give the first priority? Minimum time for emergency purchase have to give the first priority. Else you have to go only you have to go for minimum usage into minimum lead time. So these are all the things you're supposed to have before solving the problem. So understood the concept behind the question? Okay. Now, the next important thing, Kana. Weekly production. If you are going to see this particular line, weekly production varies from 550 to 1250. Am I right? Now, Samrat, can you please tell me out of which what is the minimum? Here, how much? Which one is the minimum?
550.
Maximum?
1250.
Huh? Yeah.
1250.
Okay.
1250.
Yeah. 1250. Okay. These are all third standard syllabus only. Very easily can tell which one is the minimum, maximum, and all. Yeah. Now, kindly read that particular line. Weekly. What is the next one given in this question? Weekly production. Here, this particular line, weekly production varies given in this question. Am I right? Can you please tell me, Naina? Production represent finished goods or raw material? Ma?
Yes, sir. Finished goods, sir.
Finished goods. That common sense we supposed to have. Okay. Production means finished goods. Now, who is the other person? Other girl. Can you please tell me, Naina? Here we are having maximum usage into maximum lead time, minimum usage into minimum lead time, average usage into average lead time. Clear formula. Here maximum usage, average usage, minimum usage represent raw material or finished goods. In the formula, maximum usage, minimum usage, average usage, that and all is a raw material or finished goods. Raw material only. Very good, Kana. Okay, Akash, able to follow or not? Why you are not responding? Clear? So in formula, we are in material costing. Okay, in material costing, in formula, maximum usage represent maximum usage of raw material, minimum usage represent minimum usage of raw material, average usage for average usage of raw material. It's a common sense only, you know. But weekly production means finished goods. Therefore, you should be very careful. Production 550, 1250, 250 and what 900 and all finished goods data, but we need raw material data. We have to derive the raw material out of finished goods. That's a specialty in this question. Are you with me? Kindly note it down in this problem. Kindly note it down. Kindly note it down in this problem. This is what the specialty in this question can. Okay. Unlike BCom, they won't give all the data. Just what filling the blanks with respect to formula not possible. Okay. Now in this problem. Weekly production given in this question. Weekly production given in this question. Weekly production given. Okay. Production represent finished goods. Production represent finished goods. Whereas in formulas or in formulae, maximum usage / minimum usage / average usage hyphen usage represent raw material. Next paragraph. Hence, we have to derive. Hence, we have to derive raw material usage out of finished goods data. Understood or not? We have to derive the raw material. We have to calculate the raw material usage out of the finished goods data. That's a specialty in this question, Kana. If you understood the specialty, answer part is very, very easy. Just filling the blanks only. Up to this stage, understood? Still no any doubt, Kana?
Yes, sir.
Still no any doubt? Shall I go proceed? Good. Now, first one is what? Minimum stock of A. What is the formula for minimum level? Reorder level minus average usage, but consumption. Average usage into average lead time. Okay. So everything with respect to what? A alone we need. So A data alone you have to verify. First, reorder level of A. Refer the question. What is the how much the reorder level of A?
60,000 kgs.
Available or not? Reorder level of A 60,000 minus average usage into average lead time. What about the average lead time for A? For A, average lead time comes to how much? Delivery period is called lead time asset. Am I right? So, what about the average lead time? 3 weeks. Am I right or not? Hello? For A,
Sir.
minimum
Yes, sir.
2 weeks, average 3, maximum therefore 3 weeks. But we need average consumption also. To produce one product, okay, how much raw material A you need? 12 kg. 12 kgs you need. Am I right? And we are talking about average. Okay, 12 kgs you need. How much the average production given in this question? How much the average production, Kanna?
900 units.
Right? So 900 is the average production. To produce one product, you need 12 kgs. Therefore, average consumption of raw material 900 into 12. Understood logic or not? So, reorder level 60,000 kg is given in this question, minus average consumption alone you have to compute. Average finished goods 900 to produce one product, you need 12 kgs of raw material into average lead time 3 weeks, which is given in this question. So, what is the answer? 60,000 minus average consumption to average lead time is equal to, kindly check it up the answer, 27,600 is the minimum stock level of A. Kindly check it if it's tallied or not.
Yes, sir.
All of you verify now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with respect to minimum level?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with respect to minimum level? Now, shall I go
No,
for?
sir.
Yeah, shall I go to the next one? Then second requirement, maximum stock level of B. Formula for maximum level is what? Reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Reorder level of B. How much the reorder level of B? B is reorder level. 70,000 reorder level. Reordering quantity also given in this question. How much the reordering quantity of B?
8,000.
8,000. Reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. First, minimum lead time, how many weeks?
5.
5. Minimum lead time computed. Available. Minimum usage alone you have to compute. To produce one product, how many kgs of B you need?
8 kg.
8 kgs. How much the minimum production?
550.
Therefore, with respect to maximum level, reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Reorder level 70,000, reordering quantity 8,000 minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Minimum production is 550. It's a finished goods. To produce one product, you need 8 kgs of raw material. So 550 into 8 into minimum lead time comes to 5 weeks. So kindly verify answer comes to 56,000 or not. Check pannikona.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next one? Good. Then what are the next one? Reorder level of C. Formula with respect to reorder level. What is the formula? Maximum usage into maximum lead time. So for C, maximum lead time given in this question. What about the maximum lead time? 7 weeks. Yeah. Maximum usage. Can you please tell me how to compute maximum usage? Similar to previous problem, previous water requirement. Maximum usage, how to compute now?
1,250 into 6.
Very good, Kana. Very good, Varsha. To produce one product, you need 6 kgs of raw material. Maximum production given in this question, 1,250. Good. So, reorder level of C, maximum usage 1,250 into 6 into maximum lead time 7 weeks is equal to 52,500. Understood? Then, fourth one, average stock level of A. What is average? Minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2 is equal to average level. Am I right? So, minimum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2 is equal to average level. Now, already we got it with respect to minimum stock of A. Already we got it, no? First requirement. So, minimum level for A comes to 27,600 kgs. So, 27,600 kg is the minimum. Whereas maximum stock you have to compute. Formula for maximum level is what? Reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Am I right? Everything for the purpose of A product,
Yes.
raw material A alone you have to compute. So kindly verify. Reorder level for A 60,000. Reorder quantity 12,000, am I right? For A, reorder level, reorder quantity, minus minimum lead time, how much? 2 weeks. Minimum consumption comes to what? To produce one product, you need 12 kgs of raw material. And how many units they produce? 550 quantity they have produced. Therefore, maximum level is equal to reorder level 60,000 plus reorder quantity 12,000 minus minimum usage 550 into 12 into minimum lead time 2 comes to 58,800. Any doubt with respect to maximum level stock? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, answer for the average level is maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. Minimum level already we got it in the first requirement 27,600 plus maximum 58,800 divided by 2 is equal to 43,200 is the average level. Understood? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
What next? Reorder level of D. Am I right? Next you have to go for reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level? Akash, what is the formula for reorder level?
Sir, maximum usage into maximum.
Yeah, maximum usage into maximum lead time. For D, maximum lead time is how much?
3
3 weeks.
weeks.
Maximum usage. Naina. Now you can tell the maximum usage.
1,250 into 5.
5, yes, 5 into 1,250. That's all. So, reorder level of D is equal to 1,250 into 5. 2 or 5, 5 into 3 weeks is equal to reorder level. 18,750. Kindly check it up total correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One more requirement. Minimum stock level of D with respect to minimum stock level. What is the formula for minimum level, Samrat?
Sir, reorder level minus average uses into average lead time.
Very good. That's all. Reorder level minus average usage into average lead time. Reorder level for D available or not available?
Not available.
Therefore, that is also you have to compute by way of working note. Am I right? So, what is the formula for reorder level? Already we computed or what? For D adagana?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, D. Reorder level just now we computed. Am I right? Yeah. Reorder level from the previous working you can take. Yeah. Reorder level comes to 18,750 minus average usage into average lead time. With respect to average lead time for D, average lead time is how much? 2 weeks.
2.
Average consumption 5 into 9,000 upon 9,000. So
900.
900. Yeah, 900. 5 into 900. So comes to 9,750 kgs. Any doubt? Note பண்ணியாச்சா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this particular question is purely based on what? Setting of various stock levels. Okay? Setting of various stock level. What and all you have to remember? Reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, average level, danger level. Formula for reorder level, maximum usage into maximum lead time. Formula for maximum level, reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Formula for minimum level, reorder level minus average usage into average lead time. Formula for average level, minimum level plus maximum level whole divided by 2 or minimum level plus half of the reordering quantity. Danger level, formula for danger level is minimum usage into minimum lead time or minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase. Are you with me? Other than danger level, all the stock level has been asked in this question. Right? Even you can create also one more. Okay, danger level for A or B or C. Just average what minimum danger level comes to minimum usage into minimum time for emergency purchase not possible in this question because not given. Minimum usage or minimum lead time you have to take. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you please tell me what
Yes.
are the answer for danger level with respect to B? யார் கரெக்டா சொல்றாங்க? Danger level for B. Second
Yes,
slide.
sir.
Now, danger level for B. What is the answer?
22,000 kgs.
22,000.
First answer 22,000. What about others?
22,000.
22,000. Yes. Okay. How come 22,000? Minimum usage comes to how much? To produce one product 8 kgs you need. Number of unit produced comes to 550. Right? So 550 into 8 into minimum time for minimum emergency purchase is not there. Minimum lead time comes to 5. Comfortable or not? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any doubt up to this stage? Shall I go to the next one?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this particular question is also a very famous question. The following data are available in respect of raw material X for the year ended 31st March 2021. Opening stock 9 lakhs in rupees. Purchase during the period, how much? 1 crore 70 lakhs. Closing stock 11 lakhs. So available data very less only. Am I right? So when compared to available data, requirement may be big. Data will be less. For the first requirement, inventory turnover ratio. Second one, number of days for which average inventory is held. Third one, we have to interpret the results based on the ratio. The industry's average industry's in the inventory turnover ratio is 10 means you have to do the interpretation. Nothing but comment you have to pass. Okay. Now we'll go one by one. Opening stock is there, purchase is there, closing stock is there. Based on that, we have to compute inventory turnover ratio. Okay. So with respect to inventory turnover ratio, you should know the formula for the inventory turnover ratio. This formula is applicable for costing, material costing also, as well as financial management also. Okay, FM ratio analysis as well as working capital, the same ratio will reproduced. Inventory turnover ratio. Cost of raw material consumed, consumption of raw material. Here also not finished goods, raw material. Divided by average stock of raw material is the inventory turnover ratio. Cost of raw material consumed. Always remember, whenever you come across formulas alone separately have to note it down. You are maintaining the notebook for each and every subject. Am I right? Few pages for your quick reference purpose before the examination. Formula. You want to remember the formula, but recollect the formula only. Material variance formula, fixed overhead cost variance formula, inventory turnover ratio formula. By the time you cannot lost a few pages. Okay, formula, index protocol. Okay, formula, consolidated formula. So there you can write all the formula what and all you come across. So that easy for it to refer. Okay. Because day before exam, if you remember the formula, solution part will be, you may be comfortable during that particular time. Right? Now, here inventory turnover ratio, cost of raw material consumed by average stock of raw material. So with respect to cost of raw material consumed, we have to compute. How to compute cost of raw material? Opening stock is there, purchase is there. So opening stock 9 lakhs, purchase during the period 1 crore 70 lakhs. Therefore, total raw material available comes to how much? 1 crore 70 lakhs plus 9 lakh is equal to 1 crore 79 lakhs. Right? Out of 1 crore 79 lakhs, after consumption balance only will be there at closing stock. Right? Closing stock given in this question 11 lakhs. Therefore, remaining is equal to raw material consumption only. No. Right or not? Therefore, formula with respect to raw material consumption is opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Understood? Nothing but opening stock of raw material plus purchase during the period of raw material less closing stock of raw material. That comes to what? 1 crore 68 lakhs. Am I right? So numerator 1 crore 68 lakhs. Denominator average stock of raw material. You know, average, simple average only. Opening plus closing divided by 2 is equal to average. 9 lakhs plus 10, 11 lakhs divided by 2 is equal to how much?
10
Average.
lakh.
Samrat, don't sleep. 9 lakhs plus 11 lakhs.
10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Okay. Therefore, denominator 10 lakhs. So comes to how much? 16.8. Inventory turnover ratio comes to 16.8. 16.8 represents 16.8 times. Okay. During the year, 16.8 times inventory has been turnover happened, rotation happened. 1 year is equal to how many days?
365 days.
365 or 366.
Okay, 365 days. Okay, ரொம்ப technical போறோம் அந்த பையன். So 1 year is equal to 365 days. Listen here, many occasion for the purpose of rounding off in the question, 360 days will be there. Only if it's given in this question 360, given in this question, you can make use. Else, you have to take 365 only. Understand? So we have to convert number of days also. Kindly read the requirement. First one, inventory turnover ratio, that we got it 16 point something. Second one, the number of days for which average inventory held. How many days it has been held. So with respect to number of days. So in a year, 365 days, okay, 16.8 time has been rotated. Therefore, how many days it has been held? 365 divided by 16.8 is equal to 21.37 days or 22 days. Okay, average stock has been held comes to 22 days or 21 days. Comfortable or not? Or very easy to understand?
Yes, sir.
In a year, how many times you can write the CA exam?
2 times.
2 times. If it times, therefore it comes under time. Am I right? Therefore, once in how many days you can write the exam? 365 by 2 is equal to number of days. So once in how many days you can write the exam? Same manner, 16.8 times 365 by 16.8 times is equal to 21.73 days. Understood? Average number of days for which the inventory has been held. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
What are the next requirement? Interpret the ratio calculation calculated above if the industry's inventory turnover ratio is 10. Now, listen here, sir. Here, inventory turnover ratio 16.8. Industry's inventory turnover ratio how much? Given in this question,
10.
10. Industry turnover ratio 10. 10. Suppose if it is 10 mean, what could be the answer? Number of days?
36.5 days.
36.5 days. Am I right? Here 21 days, whereas industry 36.5 days. So we have to enter. Am I right? Now, the inventory turnover of material 16.8, which means, and inventory is taken only 22 days to use for the stores or production process. The rate is better than the industry rate. Why better than? Nothing but we are having 22 days stock. Am I right? Stock is held in 22 days. Whereas industry 36 days or something is there. Appa edu best unakku? So our inventory turnover is better. Nothing but it's a fast moving or slow moving or non-moving stock we can identify. When compared to industry, we are using the raw material quickly. Am I right? Instead of 36 days, we are consuming the raw material in 22 days. Therefore, best only know. Raw material has been converted into WAP. WAP converts into finished goods. Therefore, usage of raw material more is bottom. Demand will be more. Production will be more. Sales will be more. Otherwise, you will use the raw material. Therefore, when compared to industry, we are better. Understood? The inventory turnover ratio indicate better inventory management system and a good demand for the final product in the market. It's a fast moving raw material. Regularly using raw material. Demand for the product is more. That's the reason production is more. That's the reason our inventory turnover ratio is better than industry's inventory turnover ratio. So understood the interpretation, Kanna?
Sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So in this question, what and all you have learned, Kanna? Inventory turnover ratio and that impact. What is the formula for inventory turnover ratio?
Cost of raw materials consumed divided by average stock of raw
Okay,
materials.
Samrat, listen here. Cost of raw material consumed divided by average stock of raw material. How to identify the average stock, Anna?
Yes, sir. One
How to compute average stock level?
average stock level. Average stock level is reorder level. Sorry.
Minimum.
Average stock level, opening stock plus closing stock by 2.
Yes, here raw material opening how much, closing how much, average you are taking. Okay, now simple average. Consumption of raw material. So every formula you have to highlight. Clear? Consumption of raw material. How to compute consumption? How much the how to compute consumption of raw material?
Opening stock plus purchases minus closing.
Total balance equal to consumed raw material. That's why consumption of material. So based on that, we can compute inventory turnover ratio. So inventory turnover ratio you have to express in terms of days or months.
Days.
அடி வாங்குவேன்.
Time.
சும்மா சாய்ஸ் கொடுத்து அடிச்சு விட்டுறான் பாருங்க. So inventory turnover ratio to express in terms of times. Next, how many days the inventory has been held? How to identify?
Number of days divided by inventory turnover.
365 divided by inventory turnover ratio. That you have to express in terms of days only. Understood? So accordingly, based on inventory turnover ratio, we can identify what? Fast moving stock, slow moving stock, or non-moving stock we can identify. Okay, so inventory turnover ratio helps us to identify fast moving or slow moving or non-moving stock. Understand? So in this problem, you have to remember the inventory turnover ratio. You have to identify, you have to what? Formula with respect to cost of raw material consumption. The formula or format you have to remember. Next, average stock of raw material, how to compute. That is simple only that you have to identify. I have to remember. Then number of days will be what formula you have to apply. Always you have to apply 365 only. That you have to remember. Okay, once specifically given in this question, you can take 360 else. 360 only you have to take. Then interpretation. Okay, fast moving, slow moving, non-moving stock interpretation you have to take. These are all the things you have learned out of this particular formula, a particular question.